Hello everyone. So today we are discussing the diabetes mellitus. So in the diabetes mellitus, two type of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. In type 1 diabetes, there is a autoimmune disease. It is the autoimmune disease. In type 1 diabetes, there is a decrease in the insulin production because of the autoimmune disease. So in the blood there is a high amount of glucose. So decrease in the insulin will decrease the uptake of glucose from blood to tissue or cell. And in type 2 diabetes, it produces the enough amount of, this is the cell, beta cell of Langerhans in the pancreas. It will produce the enough amount of insulin, but this insulin cannot sensitive to this receptor which is present in cell. So in diabetes mellitus type 2, there is a decrease in the sensitivity of insulin, so lead to the not uptake of glucose from blood to cell not happen. So finally what the results? Increase in the glucose in the blood. सो ये पूरी डायबिटीज मेलाइटस में क्या क्या होता है इसके बारे में हमने आपसे डिस्कस किया. अभी हम उसका सिम्टम्स क्या है वो देखेंगे. सिम्टम्स ऑफ डायबिटीज मेलाइटस. In any disease, we have to follow this sequence. From first sequence is symptoms, later is a diagnosis, and then complication, and finally treatment. In any disease, आपको यह sequence में आपको याद रखना है symptoms, diagnosis, complications, and treatment. So in these four boxes, we complete our diabetes mellitus. So till now we complete the introductions of the diabetes mellitus in this box. So in the first box, the symptoms, what are the symptoms which develop in diabetes mellitus? First of all, because of the increased blood glucose, it will transfer this blood into this glomerular capillary and increase in the blood glucose in urine lead to the glycosuria. Okay. So ग्लाइकोसूरिया से होने से ग्लूकोज बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऑस्मोटिकली एक्टिव होता है. उसके वजह से water will enter in the proximal convoluted tubules, lead to the polyuria. Okay. And because of the hyperosmotic blood, this will trigger the osmotic center present in brain and will induce the further thrust and lead to the polydipsia, यानी कि more amount of water will be required and we drink more water. अभी ब्लड में ग्लूकोज ज़्यादा है लेकिन वो सेल में एंटर नहीं हो पा रहा है, इसीलिए सेल में जो एडिपोसाइट है वो ब्रेक डाउन होगा और इसको कहते हैं लाइपोलाइसिस. उसकी वजह से ज़्यादा एटीपी बनेगा इन द सेल अदर देन कार्बोहाइड्रेट लाइक लिपिड नॉन एज लाइपोलाइसिस एंड प्रोटियोलाइसिस. प्रोटीन ब्रेक डाउन होकर एमिनो एसिड बनाएगा और एमिनो एसिड से न्यू एटीपी बनेगा. और सेल में बिकॉज ऑफ द लो इंसुलिन और लो glucose in the cell will further induce the polyphagia, so we can eat more and more, so it is known as a polyphagia. and because the blood glucose is not enough present, and in the cell glucose is not present, so lead to the weight loss because of the lipolysis and proteolysis. So these all the symptoms of the diabetes mellitus. अभी हम उसका डायग्नोसिस करेंगे. डायग्नोसिस के लिए हम FBS मोर देन 120 मिलीग्राम पर 126 मिलीग्राम पर डेसीलीटर, RBS रैंडम ब्लड शुगर मोर देन 200, oral GTT more than 200, and glycolated hemoglobins HbA1c, this is more than 6.5 percentage. What is the glycolated hemoglobins? When the blood glucose is high, it will bind to the hemoglobins, and this hemoglobin is known as a glycolated hemoglobins HbA1c. HbA1c. So in this way we can test the diabetes mellitus. अभी हम उसकी कॉम्प्लिकेशन देखेंगे. What are the complication develop in diabetes mellitus? So first of all, glucose will bind with proteins and lipid and do the proteoinflammatory reactions, and in the blood there is a plaque formations in the blood known as atherosclerosis, and protein will also accumulated in the blood vessels. It is known as a hyaline sclerosis, and lead to the decrease in the blood flow and decrease in the gas exchanges. उसकी वजह से क्या होगा? Because of the presence of this plaque, coronary artery disease, peripheral artery disease, and stroke will be developed in body. As well as these three main conditions, retinopathy, neuropathy, and nephropathy will be developed. As well as cataract which will develop in the eyes because of glucose will reduce in the sorbitol, and this sorbitol is highly osmotic active, so more amount of water will enter in the cell, lead to death of the cell. This is presence in the lens and induce the cataract, and foot ulcer will also present. So finally we are moved to this treatment. In diabetes type 1 we have to give this insulin, and in the diabetes type 2, which is 90% in the people, and diabetes type 1 is 10% in the people. So in the diabetes type 2, if we balance our diet, exercise, regular exercise, give, so we can prevent this diabetes. Also we have to give these diabetic medicines like more commonly metformin. Metformin will relieve these symptoms, and also we have to maintain this HbA1c. We keep in mind less than 7% HbA1c. It test for 3 months because hemoglobin's lifespan is about 120 day. So for 120 day this hemoglobin concentration will remain same. Lastly, other treatment for the neuropathy, retinopathy, nephropathy, and atherosclerosis. Other drugs will also reduce these symptoms. We can use various type of drugs that relieve this neuropathy. In neuropathy में क्या होगा? Schwann cells will burst because of the osmotic activity in the neuropathy, retinopathy, and atherosclerosis. In the commonly atherosclerosis, we have to use aspirin to reduce these plaque formations. So this is the whole chart of the diabetes mellitus. You can revise it from this chart. We discuss the symptoms, diagnosis, treatment, and the complications of the diabetes mellitus. This will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching.